Hello, IC. This is a quick demo of UboPod, which is the first product of Ubo Factory. And I want to talk a little bit about different variants of UboPod. So in front of me, I have two UboPods. One of them is running on Raspberry Pi 4, and the other one is running on Raspberry Pi 5. And when it boots up, it has this graphical user interface. You can zoom in, and it gives you like a volume control. And this is kind of a navigation menu. You can go to apps, install third-party apps. These are the supported apps out of the box. And then you can go to settings, set up a remote. For example, you can set up SSH or Raspberry Pi Connect or VS Code Tunnel. You can go to OS, add users, like system users or delete users, like a user management section. So out of the box, it offers a set of functions for managing system utilities, but this is just like the base products. So you can customize, the user can customize any of these functions. And at the bottom, you can see different icons, Wi-Fi, Ethernet cable, Ethernet connection. And there's also like a light sensor on board. So if I hold this, you can see the light icon changing here. There's temperature sensor on board and so on. So on Raspberry Pi 5, you can also attach a M.2 PCIe storage or AI accelerator at the bottom, and it's more customizable than the Pi 4 version, which is kind of plain at the bottom. So basically this is a platform for building embedded systems, so you can customize this in many different ways. So this one is actually a network attached storage variant of UboPod, and these are all products of Ubo Factory. So this one is basically, if you look inside, you can put 4 NAS hard drives, for SSD hard drives, and turn this into a network attached storage. Right now I've only loaded 2 of these, and then this one is just the base trim, which is basically a Raspberry Pi case, and as you can see here, this one is a big extruded aluminum. So we basically use this as the chassis for the design. I'm gonna go up so you can kind of see how tall this one is, and basically you can make many different variants of this product, and the user can fully customize this product both on the software side and the hardware side to basically meet their specifications and requirements. So we've designed this Ubo Assistant GPT that the user can basically chat with the AI agent and get the code for the customization that they want to do. For example, I'm asking here that I want to dim the LED ring light at night based on the light sensor intensity readings, and it will basically create a service for me and basically set up this auto dim and does the automatic toggling for me. And I can basically, the next step, we're gonna let the users to deploy this code and test that code on the actual hardware.